Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not finding devices. Often when you want to share photos or play sounds aloud, Bluetooth is a quick and safe way to detect the target devices wirelessly then pair with it. During the usage, it's inevitable to encounter Bluetooth pairing issues. One of them is iPhone Bluetooth not finding devices. Your iPhone starts looking for Bluetooth devices but can't discover the wanted devices after a while. Sometimes, you may find iPhone won't detect any Bluetooth devices. All you see is a spinning circle next to the devices which keeps searching. It's okay, as we're here to help you narrow down the causes and troubleshoot the problems. Why is iPhone Bluetooth not finding any devices? This can arise from issues related to the Bluetooth devices, iPhone software, and hardware conflicts. Here are some factors why iPhone Bluetooth is not finding devices. The Bluetooth device is switched off, not charged or stuck. iPhone has a disabled Bluetooth, minor software glitch, or network settings conflict. iPhone doesn't support your Bluetooth devices or the Bluetooth feature isn't available on it. Now, go through some workable solutions when the iPhone cannot find or detect any Bluetooth devices to pair. We'll introduce all the methods step by step, which work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions about iPhone Bluetooth not discovering devices, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Check the Bluetooth device. First of all, take 1 minute to check the Bluetooth device. Make sure it's turned on, its battery has enough power or is charged, and it's in range of Bluetooth on iPhone. Next, take a close look at the surface of the Bluetooth device and see if there is any visible crack or damage. If it's broken, iPhone can't find the Bluetooth device and you'll need to repair it first. If it's in good condition, move to the next step. 2. Put Bluetooth into pairing mode. Next, confirm your Bluetooth device is in discoverable mode. This step is easy to ignore when an iPhone is not detecting Bluetooth devices. Some devices may require you to long press a specific button, and sometimes the pairing mode only stays for a limited time. If you're not sure, just refer to the user manual to put the Bluetooth device into pairing mode correctly. At the same time, place it close to your iPhone with Bluetooth turned on. If you've connected it before, it should show up under the My Devices list. If it's new, the Bluetooth device will appear under the Other Devices list. 3. Disable Bluetooth, then turn it back on. If you still don't see your Bluetooth device displayed in the list of devices, turn off iPhone's Bluetooth to refresh the connection. Open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. Tap the Bluetooth's toggle to move it to the gray status. Wait at least 1 minute. Tap the toggle again to turn it on to green status to trigger. Wait for the iPhone to start searching and pairing with the Bluetooth devices. Now, take a look at both the My Devices and Other Devices to see if your iPhone discovers your Bluetooth device properly and allows you to pair it. 4. Let iPhone and Bluetooth device reboot. Every time when your iPhone has problems, a restart always plays an important role for troubleshooting. In this case, it helps resolve any kind of minor software glitch. Best of all, it's easy to do and all your saved data will keep safe and sound after fixing iPhone Bluetooth not discovering device issues. Here's how to do that. In an iPhone with Touch ID, hold the side button and drag the slider to shut down the device. Then, hold the side button again to boot up your iPhone. In an iPhone without Touch ID, hold either volume up or down button and the side button together and drag the slider to shut down the device. Then, hold the side button to boot up your iPhone. Now, go to Bluetooth and check if your iPhone can find and detect the Bluetooth devices now. 5. Check if Bluetooth is pairing with other devices. Have you connected the Bluetooth device to other devices recently? If so, that device might have already paired with the Bluetooth device. As one Bluetooth accessory can only connect to one device, iPhone won't discover the Bluetooth device if it's connected. To rule out this possibility, browse through the devices that might be connected with the Bluetooth device like iPad, laptop, TV, another phone, etc. Once done, toggle on Bluetooth on iPhone and see if the Bluetooth device is detected. 6. Delete all connected Bluetooth devices on iPhone. Has your iPhone connected to so many Bluetooth devices before? If so, these connections might also possibly cause conflicts and render Bluetooth not discovering devices on iPhone. To solve this issue, remove all previous Bluetooth pairings. Here's how to do that. Open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth. Under the My Devices section, Tap the eye icon at the right of the Bluetooth name. In the next page, choose Forget this device. Confirm by selecting Forget device again. Repeat these steps until all the paired Bluetooth devices have been deleted. Now, turn on Bluetooth to search the needed Bluetooth device again to see if it shows up on the device list. 7. Perform a reset on network settings. If your iPhone still won't be able to find or connect with any Bluetooth device, time to reset the network settings. It helps clear all the incorrect network configurations causing conflicts and solve Bluetooth not functioning properly problems. Just noted that this trick will delete all saved network settings like Wi-Fi connection, VPN or APN settings, cellular configuration and so on. If you're fine with that, follow these steps to fix an iPhone that won't find Bluetooth devices. Open the Settings app, tap General, scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode if needed to confirm the reset. It'll take a few seconds to reset the Bluetooth connection and other network settings. Once done, go to the iPhone's Bluetooth and try to search the target Bluetooth device again. If it's discovered this time, tap to pair it and use it for fun. 8. Reach out to customer service. You can test whether the iPhone or Bluetooth device has problems. Check if other devices can discover the Bluetooth device. If they can and the Bluetooth device isn't detected by iPhone only, then you should book an appointment at Apple Authorized Service Center to examine the phone. If they can't and your iPhone can discover other devices but not the Bluetooth device, then it might be at fault. Just contact the manufacturer for further assistance. Remember to confirm if it has Bluetooth capabilities on the manual first. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not discovering devices. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in using the Bluetooth devices again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.